Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn or Grow. In this video we are going to see how to lock track changes in Word document so that every edit is visible and traceable and cannot be turned off unless you enter the password you set. This feature is very helpful in prevents edits from going unnoticed, maintains document integrity, useful in legal and official documents, collaborative editing control, password protection, educational uses, version control, client-facing documents, compliance and audit trails, prevent accidental turn-off and many more. So I am confident that you are going to like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you.